What if you could build a complete website or app simply by explaining what you want in a chat? No traditional coding, no complicated setup, and no need to start with a blank project. That is exactly what Lovable is designed to do. You describe your idea and the AI turns it into a working prototype that you can test, improve, and eventually deploy. In this video, we will go through Lovable from the beginning, create a project ourselves, and then test how well it can turn a simple idea into a real working application. First, we need to open Lovable and sign into our account. Once we're inside, we're taken to the main dashboard. The interface is very simple, with our project on the left and a large prompt box in the center asking us what we want to build. This is where Lovable becomes interesting. Instead of opening a complicated code editor, we can simply describe the project we have in mind. For our test, let's build something practical. We will enter a prompt like build a simple content management dashboard for a YouTube channel where I can track video titles, upload dates, views, subscribers gained, and video statuses. Include a clean dashboard with statistics and a table for all videos. Now we'll let Lovable build it. The idea here is to see how much of the work the AI can handle from just one description. Instead of manually designing every page, creating buttons, building tables, and connecting different elements ourselves, Lovable attempts to create a structure and the interface automatically. As a project is being generated, we can watch the application start taking shape in real time. This is one of the main features of Lovable. You aren't just getting a piece of code at the end, you are able to see the actual prototype being built. Once the first version is ready, we can open the preview and test it like a normal website. For our example, we might see a dashboard showing total videos, total views, subscribers gained, and other statistics. Below that, we could add a table containing our individual videos with information such as the title, upload date, views, and current status. Now let's say we don't like the design. Instead of rebuilding everything ourselves, we can simply tell Lovable what we want to be changed. For example, make the dashboard more modern and minimal, add the dark mode, improve the spacing, and then make the video table easier to read. Lovable can then modify the existing project based on our instructions. We can continue this process until the application looks and behaves the way we want. Once we are happy with the prototype, we can continue refining it through additional prompts. We might change colors, add new pages, improve the navigation, add authentication, or just introduce additional functionality depending on what the project requires. The important thing is that the process is very conversational. You don't have to know exactly how every part of the application works before you begin. You can start with a simple idea and then gradually turn it into something much more complete. And finally, once the application is ready, Lovable allows you to deploy the finished project so it can actually be accessed outside of the editor. So that'll be all for today's video. Thank you for watching AI Community. Make sure you subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.